Hey everyone, welcome back to VulnHunt. Today tutorial I will show how to run Python code with graphical output using vscode and matplotlib. This is video beginner friendly step-by-step guide. So let's jump right now. First of all, open any browser like Chrome, Firefox, search vscode or Visual Studio Code in search bar, then vscode download official link in your computer. Then next download Python file. Now open new tab, the same browser, type Python download in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Python website, go to the download and selection to the last version for Windows. Okay, then install VS Code and Python. VS Code install step by step, follow the video. Next, install Python. Follow this video. Then install Python extension in VS Code. Open VS Code, go to extension icon, left search bar. Search Python extension. Install. Install matplotlib via terminal. Open the terminal inside VS Code. You can press Ctrl+O. Then terminal. Type follow the command pip install matplotlib. Then now let's create a Python file test.py. Write a simple code program with draw a graphical using matplotlib. Test.code file in video description. Check it.